Hey guys, I have a quick update today. Some of the recent things I've been working on. Rightio, here we go. So if we go to our options menu and we look at keyboard, we now have this little interface here which allows us to rebind our keys. So if I go click on this, we can make this 1 and this 2. And then when we start our game, actually just turn the music down a little bit. If we follow our ship and look at our controls here, when I press 1, you can see we are, if I turn our thruster up here, actually accelerating, and 2 will decelerate. And we could rebind at any time, so we could just change this to be W again and S. Now if we press W, it's forward and 1 does nothing. So that's kind of a cool little feature. You can rebind any key with any action. So I started adding quests into the game, which is actually the next kind of big thing I'm working on. And this is where you're going to inspect them. And then I sort of realized to have quests we need ship modules set up. So I'm actually just going to rebuild the game instead of trying to re-enter orbit, because that'll just take a little while. This should be slightly faster. If we turn the music back down. Okay. So if we look at our ship, or if we click on this planet right now, there's 4 options we have. We can inspect, we can focus, and move to orbit, which we're already in. What we want to do is scan the surface, right? So all of this information is concealed from us. If we go to our ship here and click, we can add a surface scanner. And this is a module which will now apply to any planet that we click on, or moon. So we can scan a moon, or we can scan this planet. And then it'll go ahead and scan all these tiles. So I did that, and then I was like, well, this is a bit kind of hacky, because when you place a module, it shouldn't just work, right? You should issue a job, and it should need to be built. So then I started adding crew, which is what we've got on the side here. So when you purchase or spawn with a ship, it will have some crew, and then it doesn't say the capacity here, but each ship has a unique capacity, which is randomly generated depending on the type of ship. And then you'll be able to purchase crew at stations and stuff. So you'll need specific crew to do specific jobs, and we don't have an engineer. So if I were to issue surface scanner, and then to build this tile, I would need an engineer on board, which I don't have. But that's actually not implemented yet. So as you can see right now, you just add the module and it works. And we can now see details about this planet. If I close some of these other HUDs, it's not going to be so cluttered. Right, there you go. Oh yeah, ambience, I forgot we did that. Turn that up. Right, anyway, I'm just getting distracted now. So, yeah, that's kind of what I've been working on, quests. The quests are going to be cool. I'm planning to make them dynamic, so each quest will be a set of stages, and each stage you'll need to complete to progress on to the next. But the stages themselves will be kind of randomly, not generated, but there'll be a list of scenarios, and you'll have to work through, basically, depending on the option that you choose. You'll have a different set of outcomes for each stage, and then you'll have I think 3 or 4 to the power of 4 potential quests, which is pretty high. I think it's like a million or a billion or something. So pretty much unlimited quests. Yeah, so that'll be neato. Anyway, that's all for today, guys. Just a bit of an update. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. And I'll hopefully have some more stuff soon. Cool. All right. See ya.